Hello everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. If this is the first time you're here, we welcome you to this awesome beauty community. Please remember to click the button down below and subscribe and be part of our family. We'll be very happy to see you here. This week, look what I've got now. As of right now, your basket is empty, but later on it'll be full of goodies. Look at this sample bag. Look at it. I got the sample bag from Ulta, like when you spend, I don't know. So then look, there is the tag. Okay, now this is from Ulta, and I admit I filled it up with other things that I received from Sephora. So but 90% of the stuff, maybe 80% of the stuff is from Ulta, and then I fill it up with some foundation sample from Sephora I received, and then I just stuff it in the bag. Let me unload the bag and you'll see later on. I pack it back up for you. Look at all this stuff. Look at all this stuff. It's a lot of stuff. Now your basket is full. Now this is the bag. I think the bag is really cute, very pretty. You know, pink. I love the bag. You know, I've been always telling you guys, sample before you commit and spend a lot of money. Make sure you try on these things first. Then you know whether you are really reacting, or do you like it? Does it smell? Can you tolerate it? Whatsoever, you know. So now first, there are a lot of foundation samples here. You have a Too Faced foundation sample. You have Fenty Beauty. This one looks really good. Look at the Fenty one. They give you so many. And I think there is a primer here too. So they give you a lot of it. I know it's like little bit stuff. Maybe you can use it for 1 to 3 times usage each square, but you can get to try a lot. You know, and these you can mix the shade for yourself. The next one is Anastasia Beverly Hills. These I already have the full size of the foundation. This is the Luminous foundation, and then the next one is the Beauty Blender. Now I have not tried this foundation. I don't know about that, but I think I see they also give you a primer, but the primer I really like. I try a sample of it myself. Yeah, like that. So there is a primer, there is a foundation. Love the primer, foundation. I have high hope I'll buy it. This one is from Estee Lauder, and then you have two Tarte. This is a foundation and this is a concealer, I believe. Yeah, creaseless concealer. So this is all this little sample, and this one is a Laura Mercier Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick. Look how cute. They give you a little brush on here, tiny little brush. Okay, Urban Decay All Night Long Spray, those like tiny little bottle. I think there are more foundation in here. This foundation again is from Estee Lauder, but what's the difference? This is a double wear, and this one is New Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup. Alright, so two different things from Estee Lauder. I hope you like the brand so you can try them out. And the good one is coming. This is Charlotte Tilbury. This is called a Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Isn't this the one that I already have? I did a try it on first impression, I think. Yeah, so give you different shades so you can try it on their Flawless Foundation. And any more foundation? I think there is one more here. This is a Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. You know, I started to really like Wonder Beauty. They have a cream brush that I really want, and then their eye patch was really good. So this is a good brand, Wonder Beauty, in case you don't know. But now you can get to try their foundation, and then you can check out the brand later on. This is a Clarins. Now we already talked about Clarins, the brand. This is one of they're very good selling product. This one, Double Serum, is a great serum. A lot of people love it. I also try it. It's great. It really works. It's high tech. Lipoid system double serum. So two things. It is like a bi-phase stuff, and then there is a multi-active cream, so you can try this on. These are good product of their brand. A 10 face and body drops. 10, I don't know what you do with it, but anyway, comes with a sample bag. And then here it's a Smith & Couch Locked and Lit CBD lip balm. All right, so there is a lip balm from Smith & Couch. You can find the brand. All these brands, they throw it in there because you want to try them and buy them from Ulta. Ulta carries all these brands. And then there is a Hum Glow Sweet Glow, what is it, gummies with benefits. Oh, it has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E gummy. Alright, so that is the one. And then here it's a Body Shop Tea Tree Scrub Mask, 3-in-1 wash, scrub and a mask. What is this? Vanilla Blossom on the Go Wipe. Gynecologist recommended. I don't know, so it's probably some kind of wipe for girls. And then here is a Beauty Blender Cleanser. Here it's a Halo Fab Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. This is a great product too. Priming moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. Great product. I try it too. Oh, actually there are two of these beauty blender thing, and then here is an Exuviant, one of my favorite brand in Ulta. Also, this is a gentle cream cleanser. I love this brand, Exuviant. Love the brand. Here is a Clinique Smart Age Transformer Anti-Aging Cream. And then another thing from Clinique is a take the day off, like a by face makeup remover. I love this makeup remover. It just works so well. I have mine in here, older packaging though. Alright, so that's mine. This is you. This is an Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Again, one of those like really best-selling product. That's why they put it into sample and let you try it. This is a Becca Skin Love Glow Elixir. I think I have a full size. Yeah, the full size looks like this. I never get a chance to open it to use it. Still just sitting in here. And then another one is from Dry Bar, also a very good hair product brand. Triple Second 3-in-1 finishing spray. And then there is a Bare Minerals lip gloss. It's great. And then there is a MAC lipstick, luster lipstick. But I think this is a Ladybug, very fall color. Look at that. MAC lipstick. I love MAC lipstick. I mean, who doesn't love MAC lipstick? It's like the bullet. Right? I think this might be a full size product. Wow, very generous, huh? Putting in here. Yeah, free product. And then there is another thing I don't like. This is for your acne. All right, a lot of this little sample in here too. Clinique, a Glam Glow, 2 of Glam Glow, 1 Smash Box, the best-selling primer, and then the Strivectin best-selling advanced retinol cream, and then CeraVe is moisturizing lotion, also work. Well, this product is like signature product of the brand, and that's why they put it in. So this, it's a great sample bag actually. Pericol MD, and this is face firming serum, and then this is a Bobbi Brown moisturizing balm. All right, and then there is a Sunday Riley vitamin C brightening serum. We already went over this one, you know this one. And this is a Grande Lips, this is a lip plumber. Yeah, all right, so this is really all the great product they give us. All these products are like receiving great reviews. People love them. They're very best-selling, and that's why they include it in the sample bag and I tried it. All right, so now you can really try all these samples before you want to buy anything. You know, Thanksgiving, Black Friday is around the corner. Now is the time for you to try everything before you decided what to buy in Black Friday. All right, so this is all the stuff I'm going to put it back into your basket, and then we'll transfer it back to your sample bag. This is how I'm going to ship out with the bag, giving it back to you. Right, your bag. So here, it's all your sample for this week. So this week, we are focusing on sample, like I told you all the time. So without further delay, let's go draw out our winner this week. And let's see who is winning all these little samples and get to try it this week. I hope you guys like a sample. I actually really enjoy sample to try them out because, like I repeat myself, you really don't know until you try it yourself. You really have to try all this stuff. All right, so without further delay, let's see our lucky winner and our awesome beauty subscriber, SAFAA, maybe it's Safa, maybe it's Safa Teller. I'm sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, but anyway, your name is right here. So congratulations and thank you so much for being part of this awesome beauty subscriber. And the rest of you are also very, very awesome, because every week, every time when our winner comes out, so many congratulations, so many good wishes, the comments left down below to support our channel. channel and also support our winner every week. And so I'm really happy to see that. It's just great people out there. All right, so Safar, thank you so very much. And just want to congratulate you one more time. Thank you for all the comments that you leave and watch on my channel and watch my videos. Now, please don't forget to email me. My email address is down below as usual. You guys, if you saw my video a couple of times, you already know what's the procedure. You already know what's the drill. You know what to do. All right. So maybe I won't respond to you right away with your email, but I will get to it. And then once I get your address, I can pack up your sample bag and I can ship it to you. If you have any questions, please leave down in the comments. I know I am still trying to catch up with a lot of your comments, but actually I love to read them all and respond. Just like to engage and communicate with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, please come back next Friday because I don't know what we're going to do next week. I didn't know I would do a sample this week until I got so many samples. Then I thought, well, I just like advertise to you guys and always recommend you to try samples. Why don't I just do a sample week, you know? So next week, stay tuned. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please come back next Friday and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to be the star of the show.